Hey guys, Mike and Trisha here. So really excited.
I feel like who's Mike?
Outtakes again. Day 12, my friends. No, it's not my friends, it's just one person I'm speaking to.
What you doing, Mark?
Getting ready to dance, baby, dance. Let's go. Alright. What is the goal? No, that don't fucking work, does it? I just gave all the fucking things in the first one. So no.
So you starting again?
Fuck it, I'll just make it up.
Thank
We got some more bloopers for the recording. So with our strategies, we like to mix it up. Play. So this video is property deals gone wrong. What a tune. Well, jolly good, dear. That was excellent. I'm so glad that I can speak my normal voice again now, because pretending to talk like a chave from Leicester was very difficult. More outtakes! Closer. 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 Good.
Ice, ice, baby. Hello?
Hello.
Oh.
So, I'm not supposed to speak, but look, here's a wooden spoon because this has got metal in it. If I use a metal spoon, maybe the spoon melts and it goes inside of me and I became a robot.
Yes.
Oh, it's very important, yes.
Now,
Wait,